Hello friends, peace be upon you all. In front of you is a picture of a cobweb or spider web. If we zoom in on this, I'm zooming in and showing it to you. You can see that this is a rough image, while it should be properly black here. And then we will extract it. So, let's see how we do this. Here we press Ctrl+L. This will open the Levels Adjustment window. And from here, we will move the black slider to the right. And we will move it so much that the spider web starts to look black. Levels Adjustment is a powerful tool for controlling tonal range. And then we'll click OK here. Now we will go to Select and click on Color Range. Here we will select the sampled colors. We will keep the amount of the fuzziness here as 200. And, with the help of the eyedropper, we will click on the white part of the image. We'll check the image here. Then we will check the invert. And in the end, we'll do it OK. You will see that it has been selected here. Again, go to Select, Modify, Expand. And this selection will expand by just 1 pixel. Then click on OK. After that, select any selection tool. Right-click on the image, and click on Make Work Path. We will set its tolerance to 1 pixel and click OK. Now, we will create a black solid color layer here. After selecting black, click OK. Now delete the background layer here. So, this spider web has been extracted well here. Here you create a white solid color layer. And we move this layer to the bottom. So, now you can see that the spider web has been extracted properly. I'll show it to you by zooming in full. Now, there is no defect in this spider web. We have extracted very well from this. You can also transform it here. And you can use it by making it smaller or larger as you wish. You can extract such difficult objects in this way. And they will look beautiful wherever they are used. In this regard, I hope you like this video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.